Now, if you have just copied text from elsewhere and you wish to paste it in Claude AI and you are experiencing challenges, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can successfully copy and paste text in Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go ahead and copy the text you want and then go ahead and log into your Claude AI. As you can see, I'm on my account here. Then head over to this text box, and to paste text here, there are two ways. You can either just press Ctrl+V at once to paste the text in Claude AI text. As you can see, mine has already been copied here. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and right click anywhere inside this text box, and if I just right click here, you can see we have an option to paste, and we also have the shortcut here. So if I tap on paste, now we have our text copied here. From here, you can now proceed and ask or generate your responses. So that's how you can paste text in Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.